So in this box, we've got obviously the wires, all this stuff here. In today's video, we're going to install this diesel heater with a bit of a difference. So I've sealed all the joints up with some foil tape, and now we're going to wrap the whole pipe with this stuff, and this is like a fire blanket. just before we fit this fuel pump, I believe these have got to go slightly on an angle, and also as well there's a little ladder the direction of the pump and it points that way, so we'll mount it roughly like that. These clips as well, these don't come with the diesel heater. I bought these separately because them ones what come with it aren't right good. So now we're just going to install the fresh air pipes. We're having to use red diesel because of the price of fuel these days. Let's give it a try. Can I have the pump running now? So it seems to have fired up. It's still pumping a bit of air through the air lines, but it's warming up in here. So just before I bring this video to an end, I just want to briefly explain why I've put these pipes, this, obviously the diesel heater, so that's his heating pipe. The warm air comes out of there, and because on the back of the diesel heater it's like a, obviously it's like a, what would you call it, it's not technical, but like a metal box what gets red hot. A fan blows, sucks the air from there, blows it over the top of the diesel heater and then through the pipes. But what's happening is, because this fan's sucking, it's sucking air back down the pipe from this one, which that's what I sort of had in my head what I wanted it to do. So warm air comes out, it sucks air slightly, not like a vacuum cleaner, in there, back round and back through, so it sort of circulates the air. So say in the summertime when you won't need the diesel heater, I can turn this fan on, which is this one here. So now this is sucking air in from the outside, so go along the pipe, blow over the diesel heater and then back through these pipes, which actually is blowing warm now obviously because it's just been on the diesel heater, and also cold air, and then it should circulate, which is slightly doing there, which tilted slightly there. So in my mind it works. It's a bit complex, but I'm happy how it's turned out, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.